Good morning, kindergarten. For your maths lesson today, it is Friday. We are learning to group, share and count collections of objects so that we can be mathematicians. Today you will be successful when you can make your own groups, record your thinking and work out how many there are all together. All right, so today we are going to recap everything we have learnt so far about groups and collections. All right, so we have learnt about groups. So for example, on Monday, we looked at animals in paddocks and we looked at, for example, two groups of 3 in each. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's something that we looked at on Monday when you had the green circles and your animals. And we also spoke about this week about equal and unequal groups. For example, if I had one group over here with 3 animals and then I had another group over here with 2, this would not be equal, as this does not have the same amount as this one. So that's something else that we looked at. Yesterday, we also looked at groups of 10. So Miss Lascaris had these counters, and in each side of inside each of these containers was 10 counters. And we learned how to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. And this is something that you did yesterday. Okay, now with all of that information, today what you are going to be doing is you are going to be creating a little bit of a story. It's something that you can make up completely on your own. For example, you might do, let's pretend we don't have these animals. Let's pretend there's 2 houses. Okay, this is your house and this is your best friend's house. And you might want to say that 3 people live in this house, mum, dad, and a baby. And then over here, you might want to say that another 3 people live in this house, and that's how you can explain your story in your groups. Or you might want to do something else. You might say that you have some fish bowls. So these 2 can be our fish bowls. All right, and you might say there's 2 fish in this fish bowl, and then there's 2 fish in another fish bowl. It's completely up to you. Miss Lascaris wants you to try and be as creative as possible with your story about your groups and your collections. Miss Lascaris will have an example on Seesaw for you, and then it's up to you to be nice and creative. Have fun!